you doing, guys? I hope so you're keeping well. Today was so hot day. Look at my skin. I got sunburn sitting at home. We're gonna go today to Ubud. Winnie just won some competition on Instagram and she got the free stay in one eco hotel in Ubud, right?
Yeah. Well, actually that I got a like giveaway.
Yeah.
I joined like kind of a giveaway if you like share a comment or something, and then you get a free stay in one hotel. So yes, I got it now, and then we will stay in the eco hotel in Ubud, and we will see how it is in Ubud.
We will see. So today's vlog will be about the Ubud and obviously about the eco hotel.
Alright, so now we already arrived in the hotel. It is eco hotel, as you see, like everything is like made of wood here. Wow. And then yeah, this hotel is called Mana Ubud, Mana Earthly Paradise Ubud, as you see.
I cannot believe that it's been so long.
So basically this is the eco resort. Eco resort is very famous in Bali. Maybe I'm not personally the biggest fan of eco resorts, but this is free obviously, so I'm very happy anyway. You know, guys, why not? But this is exactly at the village in Bali. As you can see, here is already the farmer. They all have their own the fruit and veg. Here is the farmer. The road is actually basically is finished here. It's only for bikes, like if they have a parking. So this is my car. Super cool. We'll see. Winnie is doing the papers, as she said before, and check-in. We will see how is the room and dinner in Ubud.
Alright, so we have a welcome drink, and then it is called butterfly fee tea, and so I will try. The lady said if I put lime in it, the color will change. Let's see. Oh yes, it looks purple. Before was blue, now it changed purple.
Nice.
See that? Alright, so inside the eco resort hotel they also have a kind of a shop. As you see, they sell kind of eco products in Bali, like this one. It's like eco, you know, furniture.
Everything is eco here and handmade, obviously. Looks pretty nice.
And then the lady said it's every Wednesday and every Sunday they have a fresh food here, like fresh vegetable, fresh fruit. They also sell everything fresh here.
So the eco is literally mean like normally in the hotel you will have a garden with the pool and the fancy stuff. Here is growing like a vegetables, like a cabbage, and stuff like this. We're gonna have a check-in now. We'll see. Today we are checking around 6 p.m. Normally we check in at morning, so we'll see. And I already lost Winnie talking about that. We will see. But that's how it looks, obviously. But cool. What should I say? Oh, rice fields is over there. We will see.
Alright, so I already in the room. Oops. The lady still check the room and everything. And this room is deluxe room, single room. So as you see that this hotel only have 6 properties. I mean like
6 rooms,
blocks,
6 villas or whatever.
Yeah, so one for the family and the one that we saw before in the restaurant. So she's the owner. The owner is Japanese actually.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll see how is it inside.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Alright. Ya, masuk sini. Oke.
Oops.
Makasih, Mbak. Ya. Oh. Oh wow. So as you see, this is eco resort. Like everything is eco. Like it's made of bamboos, and then as you see, there is no aircon. So yeah, room with the sofa, and then they have a eco bottle here. And then let's check the bathroom. Nice. Ah, nice. Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Basically, the room is very nice, very clean, very simple, as eco. So it's no aircon and no like gadgets like in the different hotels. The construction of the walls, of course, don't take me wrong, is super cool, but it's little bit like a Flintstone style.
Yeah, but nice. It's
But
very
super nice, but it's
Yeah.
little bit like a Flintstone style.
So as you see, like normally whenever we stay in the hotel, we have a swimming pool or something like that. But here, they grow their own vegetables. So they have permaculture. As you see that over there, kind of vegetables. There. So basically, that whenever you have a breakfast or something, they also have a restaurant over there when we check in. So basically the food grows here, so we eat it, you know, the guests will eat it.
Yoga room. Loads of plants around. Papaya tree.
And one thing, for the electricity, they have their own solar panel. As you see, I'll show you here, over there. So in every room, they have their own solar panel.
I cannot believe that it's been so long.
Alright, so this is our room, and then I just decided just, you know, going from this path behind our room. So we see that there is a garden everywhere. I mean, like our room is surrounded by the permaculture garden.
Oh, nice banana. Basically, the room is eco, so that means it's not many electric sockets. It's only one actually in full entire room, and the fan is connected to this. So it's not so maybe perfect for someone like we who have 2 laptops, iPad, 4 phones, and stuff like this. However, internet is the fastest in Bali I discovered so far. Check this out, guys. It's 44 download and 46 upload. Unbelievable, guys.
Hi! So I just finished shower, and inside, you know, like the soap, the shampoo, the conditioner is just like natural made, eco made. So there is no like chemical in it. And I smell my hair. Smell lemongrass, smell lemon. You know, it's like natural made shampoo and amenities inside over there.
Nice.
So good.
I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long.
Oh, I just arrived to the restaurant, and when we arrived, it was rainy, by the way. Check this out, this giant statue. So cool, guys. Nice place in Ubud. Nice. Oh, honey, what do you have?
I have a watermelon juice. And what do you have?
So our food arrived. Burgers today. Burgers.
Oh, nice.
Smacznego, sayang.
Thank you.
I cannot believe that it's been so long.
So we are going back to hotel, and as you see, it's raining.
Yeah, and we're going into the
Ubud Center.
Ubud Center, and then we will passing the monkey forest. Yeah, and the condition is how it is. I don't know what should I say. It's just quiet, right?
Yeah.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
just arrived back to the villa. I mean to the hotel still. So, honey, where are you?
Hi.
Yeah, it's so dark by the way, but
Yeah.
can you hear the sound of the nature, guys?
Yes, like it's a little bit raining actually,
Yeah,
and it's dark.
it's dark.
Yeah, but you will hear the sound of nature. It's
Sound of
beautiful.
nature.
Alright, so we already back to our hotel, and it was raining in Ubud. And as you see when we walked to the room, and then it's quite dark. Yes, it is, because this is eco resort. And then the most important thing, we have to save energy. And
Oh yeah, okay.
yeah, because they have a like solar panel.
Yeah,
and
that's
then the electricity is, I think that electricity is limited. Something
limited.
Like
I hope so. It's not gonna switch off because I have to edit video for tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a cool experience. At least once in the lifetime. At least one night.
that. Yeah. I think that we already had a dinner today. In a
Yeah,
very
and
nice
and you saw the
restaurant in
Ubud situation is quiet. I have to say, still quiet.
Yes, so as you see that before in our video, that Ubud Center is still quiet. Only some restaurant open, and some restaurant are busy, and some restaurant are super quiet. So that's how Ubud situation right now. And then I think that's all for the day today. I'm so tired. I working from morning until afternoon, and then luckily that I can go to Ubud and have a sleep.
Yeah, but and finally you are on the vlog today, Sayang. So all our fans miss you, Sayang. So finally Winnie on the vlog. That's why I let her talk a lot. So make the closing, Sayang.
Alright, so thank you guys. Maybe some of you already asking me where I am. I'm so busy working, and then so for this weekend I'll show you how it is. I mean Ubud situation right now for the new normal. And thank you for watching, and
Don't forget to subscribe. A new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. Something new tomorrow, like always. See ya, guys.
Bye, have a good night.